Dumela Mosotho ya kgabane. Re motlotlo re le FNB Lesotho ho tlisetsa lenaneo le tlo bua ka tsa ditjhelete. Lenaneo le tlo o ruta ho sebedisa tjhelete ya hao e le hore o e boloka jwang le hore na o e sebedisa ka tsela e jwang. Ka lebitso ke Mmasakwane hanyane ke hlaha FNB Lesotho Lefapheng la Marketing and Communications. Lenaneo lena la rona re le bitsa ka hore ke tjhelete e tsamayang le dikeletso ka sekgowa o ka re money coupled with advisory.
Hello, my name is Tukiso TK Ntebe, also known as the Finance Bachelor. Now, it goes without saying that the last few months have been particularly difficult for many of us. I'm talking about the skyrocketing cost of living, high inflation, and high interest rates. The question is, what does this mean for you as a business owner and you as a consumer? To unpack this, I have in studio with me Ntatemo Housewell, the head of treasury at FNB Lesotho. My second guest in studio is Ntate Mutshare Tsosan, the head of commercial, corporate and investment banking at FNB Lesotho. When you look at the headlines, Honachanan, globally, regionally, domestically, it looks like things are bad. There are terms such as economic recession. In your view, and I think you touched a bit on it here and there, but from Lesotho, how to economic recession, in relation to what we've already discussed, what does that mean? Ibulela eng, how to economic recession?
Yeah. So, how recession? Okay, technically, there's technically two successive quarters of a decline in GDP. So, like your GDP was negative quarter one, it's negative quarter two. Generally, in the market, we'll say there's a technical recession, but there's like the real recession. If you now move into the third quarter, growth in it pick up again how recession. But maybe how we ka language if happening re batla gore moruo o hola butle ka tsela e tena kore ke batla gore o nke traffic ena ya rona ha thetsana dithabane pele maponesa a re thusa hore re share lane tsa ntse ka gore o no fitla high late ka tsela yo ka bangwa ba wa qetletse so hlile o tenile jele tsa go traffic eo in a payment gore maybe multiplied by 1 by 2 by 3 o tlotse ba khona go utlwisisa hore na o so nka na go etelela ha ka ntse le recession go gore ntwe tle di etsahala butle ka tsela eno hleng e lengwe e tetebetsa pele. For business it means longer stock sidulana go telele on the shelves. However with the logistics it means the order ga ding kana go telele go tlo fihla ba ntlo tsa natural woman di hana go di tle di tsitsitsitsitseng hand. So recession on ba fela gore ehlile batho ba batla ba le bodutu haholo.
And maybe to bring it home, right? The way you should think about a country, we a household couple,
sure,
right? And it's very basic. In a household, there's income. I'll speak with a model household. They earn a salary, right? Now, when you think around us, now what is that salary to the country? When you look at the country as a whole, abroad, a lot of it is diamond, a lot of it is water,
sure,
a lot of it is textiles. Those are the three main paychecks. So now, what a recession means, paycheck in textiles. The demand out of the US is no longer the same. So have a paycheck 100 rand, it cannot work 95 rand, 90 rand. Up to what degree? However, the other paycheck is diamonds. When you see economies get hard and people have to decide what to spend their money on, maybe diamonds is not the first thing they'll spend money on. That paycheck, but those are the main general income streams. So what that means is when those paychecks go lower, tšhelete se re tlo ya arolelana ka gage e se thobile haholo. We now have to go into start making sacrifices. Maybe ne re tswa re ja KFC every Friday, se re tla e ja hangwe ka kgwedi. Then se re bona gore bophelo se bo hloka eng, readjustment o so le thata na. Re na le spending a ke re reka dijo, re reka diphahlo. That is the local economy re leng ka hare. Jwale ha o nahana ka that concept ya lelapa, o sheba the spending e lelapa leno le etsang, reka diphahlo, petrol, school fees, dijo, and pay taxes and drive on roads. That speaks to the local economy ya lelapa lena. Ele man mo re reng government is a big portion of that. Then there are all these other sectors like consumption, bo 9% and so on and so forth. But ha eba o utlwisisa taba ela paycheck tsela tsa rona, o sontso bona gore spending sa rona go di sector tsena se limited ke paycheck tsane tsa rona re le lelapa. So essentially what that means go ha paycheck ya rona e thowa e leng the interest of the services and the commodities we can sell, then se re tlo spend less. Jwale ha re spend less, ke mane mo bonang the local economy se bona high, ha sa ja KFC mohlana, ha sa ya out all the time. Diphahlo bo ka dana na go change every 6 months, or sa change every 9 months. Then o so e utlwa ho tshonka bana ka tlung sa ba bona ba haisane, then everybody o sa hlokana na a itlame mala masesana, itlame mala masesana e khutlela mane ho montate mo ha wa ha bo itshwaro bona bo ka etsa 1 quarter and another quarter. Then mona le motho a letsang phalare ga bona ka re ka recession.
So Wondad, in the last 2 minutes, it looks, how is it it looks gloomy. It looks like hard. Is there hope for Basotho? Is there hope for me as an individual? Is there what's message of hope? But is there hope, and how do I prepare myself mentally?
And I think I've never been more excited about the future of the country. And I want to answer it even from where we come from as FNB when we talk around shared value to society. And in terms of everything that needs to get done within the economy, they offer opportunity. When you look at some of the areas we've also identified internally, there's opportunity for shared value to society. We've identified areas like home ownership, where we know that there's a stock shortage of around about 40,000. Funding and home ownership in your way, which is going to increase our net worths as individuals. We have identified the underfunding this year healthcare. There's an entire healthcare sector I'll ensure it has to be birthed in here. That's going to speak to infrastructure spend, knowledge, and a skill set. That is going to be a huge component there, the economy. Pudi Hadi, major works have gone in. This is an injection into the economy. The tendagala di tlamono wa bona ha palo tsena na ha ke so di bitsi sale ke le motho go sebetsa mono as well. And you've also got the MCC compact, $300. That's going to come with all other catalysts, horticulture and all these other areas. So there's actually a lot that is going to unfold and a lot that has to be established. And our country is generally in a good position. Too complex, too extended. So there is a lot that we have going for us. It's true what is going to be important even for entrepreneurs, Lawe Nahan as a business person is, how do you make sure that I've got reserves? How do I make sure that I leave headroom deploy to this one? And Leona, what is exciting about it is capital doesn't have to compete. TK Lakabaha another 100 houses. Mahawa 100. The shortage is still too high. So before we even get to competition, capital is not a place where it has to compete. We still have to go into horticulture. We still have to establish entire industries. And I mean, there's so much that needs to be done that as a business and as an institution, we look forward to the investment opportunities in the country.
When you guys say how can we help you, I got just from this I get so excited and I'm like, yo, okay, it's not all doom and gloom.
Yeah.
But that, thank you very much for spending the day with me, and I hope this is an educational session for the listener, the viewer, and most importantly, clients at FNB to also understand what do these difficult words actually mean and how it affects and impacts their businesses and their household. Get over that. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's been an honor.